Guys, Cameron here from Cameron's Transport Channel. Welcome to another video. Today we are on board the X24 towards Sunderland, and we've got Stagecoach in Sunderland 28036. So about the lack of video today, I don't even know why I was thinking of recording like every bus to how to be. I don't know. Bell took a while to respond like. Then on to the next stop, which is Gateshead High Street. Yeah, I'm in the tour class, so I'll switch from lanes, and it's like you never go slow down. We're in a fast lane. Well, I don't know bus. I'm gonna be in the fast lane, like it's the gas bus. I like the engine sounds that get on these. Oh jackpot, the bus back's gonna be another X24, so let's hope for a gas bus. Again, I had good luck today. Quite a bit of good luck. Even if I did miss a dual on the 11, I still got a gas bus after missing it. I actually haven't been on one of these in a while. So this is one of the 14 regs. That's for some reason gonna ding the bell again. Right, I'm gonna stop. That's the end of this video, so don't forget to like and subscribe. Goodbye.